everybody. So we are getting very close to getting wrapped up for the most part.
Like, the end of this week will be like 3/4 of the way. Then it'll be all put the doors in the inside and knobs and fixtures and stuff. So
Right, so we got the sheetrockers coming tomorrow. They're also going to do the tile work in the bathroom, and they're going to do the floor throughout the entire house. Hopefully by the end of the week, like she said, and then we can put the doors, put some hardware up, bring in the appliances, countertops, other things like that, knobs and paint and whatever. So tedious work. So, but I'll show you kind of where we're at so far as of today. Right. So we got the plumbing so that when the sheetrockers come, they will know where the plumbing is going in. I got to get a reducer for that because that's 1.5 inches and that's 1 inch. But this is all going to be tile, every bit of it. Tiled shower, that's where we're going to have our little cubby hole thing, our little bitty window there, and then the shower unit knobs go there, and then it's a big long exposed pipe that comes up, out, and waterfall. Yes.
it's a rainfall.
Rainfall, that's the word I'm looking for, rainfall. And then we're going to have our white sink here with some black fixture. We're going all white and black.
Yep.
We're coming out a round mirror and then a light. Oh yeah, I forgot to do that before we leave. Crap. But bedrooms are the same. But last time we finally got this in. I didn't have this here. It's pretty cool. Nice little electric lock with a keypad. I'm not going to show you our number here, but very easy. If you don't have your key or you accidentally lock yourself out, you can use the master code or the code, whatever. There you go, like her. And then I'm not cool anymore because I changed this ghetto looking concoction that I had for the time being back to what was on our front door. So that is fixed like it should be now. But that's where we're at. So tomorrow is going to be exciting. I do say, because these walls will have some sheetrock up. And hopefully 2 days from now we can be painting before the flooring goes down. I've got a little bit of leveling to do in the flooring still. Well, the sheetrock started today, and it was somewhat amusing to begin with, the beginning of the day, because there was a snake that had gotten into our ceiling rafters. So it had to be knocked down and killed, and that delayed it for a little bit. But we got rolling. I say we, I didn't do anything. They got rolling, and I'll kind of show you what we look like on day one of sheetrocking. Right up there was where the snake was, slithering in the rafters, and they knocked it down with a 2x4, that 2x4 right there, and then they had to track it down and dispose of it. I think it's just a regular rat snake, but some other people are telling me it's a water moccasin, which down here in the south they are common. So they got the ceiling started, McAllister's bedroom, and then they've got everything hung in our bedroom. But they had to leave a little early today to head to Memphis. So tomorrow it's going to be, well, really they're going to finish it all, they said, and then can start mudding and sanding. Day one of sheetrock complete, and it's been the hottest day that it's been in probably 2 weeks. It's starting to come together and it's starting to look like a house. But yeah, I will show you guys around and show you the progress and where we're at, it's a hot mess right now. But most all of the sheetrock is hung. They're still doing a little bit of cutting. I think, well heck, actually all of the sheetrock may be hung. This closet was the last bit. So yeah, they've got to hang a little bit more sheetrock in here. So that is where the closet used to end. And we extended the wall out in the hallway so that we could have a extra 1.5 feet, I guess. That's what that is. Which is going to be needed, definitely. But everything's coming together. Got the guy here with the cement backer board. He's starting to put it in the shower. And I guess we'll finish up a little bit of plumbing and put up the sheetrock in here as well. So it should be interesting, to say the least. But it is coming together. So hopefully finish this today, start taping, mudding, getting things ready to be painted. Hopefully by Sunday. It's looking like a house. So I'm excited. Yay. Alrighty, everybody, they have started the tile work in the shower. So we're gonna have a stand-up shower. There's the bottom. It's gonna be different tile work than what that is. And that's gonna be the same on the right side, the left side, and yes, the floor here. And then there's our faucet, which is covered with some stuff right now. And then there'll be a mirror, and then a sink under it. So still a lot to do, and that's where our toilet's going to go. Still a lot to do, but that looks pretty daggone good.